What is going on, friends? Torin here, and I just wanted to give you a quick update with everything. Thank you for your patience with videos not coming out for a little while. I think it's been about a month since we posted something, and I just wanted to update you on where we are at. Julia and I actually went to Canada, so we're in Canada right now at a retreat center where we're learning more about things like gardening and operations of a retreat center, helping out in the kitchen a little bit here and there, things like that, to broaden our own skill set with the idea of making a Wellbeing Café someday. And now that we are more settled in here, we have the full intention to start producing content at a more consistent rate. So we plan to be coming out with more videos very soon on things like kitchen essentials and more recipes. I have a ton of content that has been recorded and just needs to be edited. We are also in the midst of splitting our movement channels. We're splitting that from 1 channel into 3 channels. That's been quite a bit of work as well, and we are almost done with that initial transition. Super excited to have that out and going, and then I can put my focus back more into the cooking and nutrition channel. So super excited to be making more content soon. Just want to let you know that's where we're at. Hope you are all having a beautiful day, and I look forward to seeing you in the kitchen soon. Peace.